Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe Graziano, VJoG, and today we're going to talk about VMware's Dynamic Environment Manager, and more specifically, how you can leverage DEM to do Active Directory level functions that previously you would only see used in GPOs. A few of my previous consulting customers are doing this today. This video today will show a use case that we demoed on how you can add security with ADMX templates and really pull together the zero trust story for your customers and enable a secure workspace. So let's get to the video. So in this video, we're going to show you how through DEM you can actually create one of these policy conditions to detect things like being in or out of an untrusted environment and blocking applications or features. So the first thing we're going to do, again, we're going to log into our vSphere environment, and we're going to look for and connect to the DEM management console. Now the management console in our lab environment, the management console is on one of our file servers. So we're going to remote console to the file server and log in. And you'll see that DEM is already running, so we're going to close that just for visual sake. We'll go to programs and management console. And if you have a test or production environment, just select the one that you need. And you'll notice here that we already have the block command access in place, because this was what we demoed in our feature walkthrough. So today we're going to set up a new one. So we'll click Create. And in this case, we're going to block PowerShell. So we'll put in the relevant information for this ADMX setting. Again, this is an ADMX setting, so we're no longer going in and using group policy. We are now leveraging DEM to perform what would traditionally be done with group policy. So name and label. And then we'll select categories. This is where you're going to pull up the information from the ADMX templates. In our case, we're going to select system, because the block that we want to implement is within this system registry, in the system GPO. Edit policy. And we'll scroll down, and you'll see don't run specified Windows applications. Enable this, click show, and since there's multiple PowerShell commands that we want to block, PowerShell.exe and PowerShell ISE, we're going to put both of those in here. So that way, when this policy takes effect, both of these features will not run. We'll click OK. Close our ADMX settings. And now you have your policy. In order for a policy to work, you need conditions. In our test, we simply block a particular IP address that is acting as our non-trusted network entity. This could be, so that's what we're using. We're using the IP address. So we'll put that in here and click OK. But you have a lot of options that are available to you. Groups, operating systems, like I said, the IP addresses that we already used. There's a lot of things that you could do with this. There's a lot of conditional resources. So that's it for our DEM presentation on how to use ADMX templates to augment or replace your Active Directory GPOs. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, like and subscribe down below, and you'll get updates on all of my new and upcoming videos. If I don't see you, have a happy holidays, and we'll pick things up in the new year. Have a good one.